guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. First of all, my sincere apologies guys, I got very late in filming this part 2 of my makeup haul and favorites video. I know I did part 1 around more than a week ago, but because I was traveling, I was busy with the family function, so I really couldn't film this video, so seriously sorry for that. But here I am with part 2 of my makeup haul and favorites video, and all those who haven't watched part 1 yet, then I will be mentioning the link down below in the description box. You guys can go there and check that out, and you can also click the eye on the right top corner right there. That will also take you to the part 1 of my makeup haul and favorites video. Now in part 1 I covered face products as well as eye products, and in part 2 I'm going to be talking about some cheek products as well as some lip products. So these are the products that I have been buying over past couple of months. I have used them and I have really liked them, so I thought why not just do a haul video and club it with, you know, the favorites as well. Also guys, before starting my haul, I wanted to share with you all that please follow me on Instagram, my Facebook page, and also on Reposo. I've just added myself, kind of created a profile on Reposo very recently. But yes, I have been for I have been on Instagram and Facebook for quite some time now, so you can follow me on these social media platforms for latest updates and posts. I'm pretty regular on those social media networks. And also the fact that I announce a monthly giveaway. Yes, you hear it right, it's a monthly giveaway that I have been doing for some time now, and I post all the information regarding those giveaways on my Facebook page, but now I will also be posting them on Instagram, and maybe eventually I'll also start giveaways on my Reposo account as well. So don't forget to follow me there. I will mention all the links down below in the description box, and they will also appear on this video screen right in the beginning as well as the end of this video. So do follow me there, and I would love you all to participate and stand a chance to win the giveaways that I announce every month for all my friends and followers. So let's get started with the haul. Too much of jabbering, I just need a chance to just keep on yapping all the time, and I'm going to start with highlighters. Now I have 2 of these highlighters. They both are high-end highlighters, and I just want to discuss about them because I have been absolutely loving them. So the first is the Becca Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Moonstone. This is how it looks like. This is a gorgeous shade. I have been totally drooling over it, and I am now going to just swatch it for you guys so that you can see. I hope you can see how it looks like. The beauty of this highlighter is that it is so fine and it looks so natural on your face. It doesn't really, you know, unlike a lot of other highlighters wherein the glitter just sits on your skin and it looks so artificial, this is not the case with these highlighters. It is seamless. It just gives you a natural glow to your face, and it is so stunning. The next highlighter is this one by MAC, and this is also like bomb. It is so beautiful. Now this actually was launched by MAC in their limited edition in the month of December. I also remember it was 11th December, and I went the very same day to just see what they have launched, and I got this highlighter for myself, and I also got an eyeshadow. This one is called Oh Darling, and this is also a gold based highlighter. They also launched one more which was like a silver based highlighter, and I had to definitely buy a gold one. Now as you can see, as compared to the Becca one, this is more golden. This is like a little more shimmery, so it goes beautifully well with Indian skin tone. These are currently my 2 favorite highlighters, and this one also retails for 2400 rupees. I will mention all the prices alongside on this video. Next product I'm going to talk about are blushes. So the first one that I'm going to talk about is this one from NYX. This is a beautiful orange, or you can say a deep coral shade, and this one is called Cinnamon, and I'll just swatch it for you guys so that you can see. It looks pretty dark in the container, but it's not as dark otherwise. It just gives a beautiful hint of coral with an orange undertone onto your cheeks, and it goes beautifully well with an orange lipstick. The next cheek blush that I'm going to talk about is this one, and this one is from Color Bar, and this is in the shade Coral Craving. This is a discovery which I'm very happy about, because this product, this blush looks so beautiful on Indian skin tone. It is so flattering. It has a little bit of that sheen to itself, which kind of gives that glow alongside that beautiful flush of color onto your cheeks. And this one retailed for 650 rupees. The next blush, and yeah, this is my last cheek product. This is also a blush from Maybelline, from their Fit Me collection, and this is how it looks like. It's a very mild coral shade with a hint of brown undertones to it. Now this color is like barely visible. It's, I think, best for like a no makeup look. So if you guys can see, this is how it actually looks like, and on camera in this light I can actually see some shimmer as well. It does have very fine shimmer particles with like a golden tinge. So it's like very appropriate when you don't want too much of color showing on your cheeks, but you still want that slight natural healthy glow going on your face. So this is the color to go for. This is in the shade 202 medium coral. However, this is not going to show up on dusky skin tone. It's quite good for very fair skin tones, but if you want to go for a shade darker in the same category, you can go for that. It will look pretty good on dusky or beige skin tones as well. Now moving on to lip products, and I have quite a few lip products to share with you guys. So I think let me start with these beautiful lip creams that I got from NYX. These are called soft matte lip creams. I got them in 3 shades, and I am going to quickly swatch all these 3 shades for you. Now the first shade that I have in my hand is called Amsterdam. It's a very pretty, very soft red shade. You guys can see that. This is how it looks, and the formula of these lipsticks is, as I said, they are soft matte, they are very creamy, they don't dry your lips at all, and the stay of these lipsticks is about 3 to 4 hours, but you can always go ahead and touch it upon. It will not crack the lipstick. The next shade that I have in my hand is San Polo, and this actually looks like what it looks like in the container, and I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so that you can see. Now this is how this shade looks like. It's a very beautiful soft plum shade, I would say, and I think it's a very versatile shade. It's a daytime, nighttime, very good for Indian skin tone. It is very flattering. And the third shade that I have in my hand is called Antwerp, and this is this beautiful soft coral shade with pink undertones to it. Yeah, this is how it looks like. However, it looks a little different from what it looks in the packaging, but this is how this shade looks like. Again, a very versatile shade, very wearable, very good for Indian skin tone, and for that matter any skin tone, and I absolutely love wearing this shade on a day-to-day basis. So the next lip product I'm going to talk about are these beauties from Chambord. So they have been in market for quite some time now. Chambord launched these liquid lipsticks. These are called Extreme Wear Transfer Proof liquid lipsticks. I actually got 2 shades for myself to try out. They have launched around 10 to 12 shades in this range of lipsticks. These are liquid lipsticks. They dry absolutely matte, and they are available in amazing colors. I got these 2 colors for myself. This one is actually number 462, and this is the swatch. It's a very beautiful rusty shade. These lipsticks will dry in a while, and they will absolutely finish matte. They have amazing longevity. They stay for almost 8 to 10 hours, and they are not very drying, but I would still recommend you guys to put lip balm before you apply any matte lipstick, because that will prevent your lips from getting even more dry. The next shade that I got from the same range of lipsticks is this one, and this is in the shade 431, and this is like a beautiful deep reddish maroonish kind of a shade. And let me just swatch it for you guys. So this is like a very beautiful concoction of red and a bit of brown undertone and a bit of maroonish undertone to it. So I absolutely love this shade. The next lipstick that I'm going to talk about is also from Chambord, and this is their lip crayons. It is actually called Extreme Matte Longwear Lip Color, and the one that I got is in the color Exotic Fuchsia. I just got one to try it on and I am absolutely loving these. So they are also available in around 10 to 12 different shades. They have beautiful shades from the darkest to the lightest possible colors, whatever they can have. And let me swatch this one for you guys. Look at that, you guys. Look at the pigmentation. It is super soft. It's absolutely matte, yet at the same time it does not feel dry at all, and this lipstick stay put for the entire day. You don't have to worry to even touch it up. I mean, I am so impressed, so impressed by these lipsticks, and I'm definitely going to buy more shades in these. Like, as a normal habit, despite being a YouTuber or makeup artist and reviewing so many products, I really don't believe in buying anything which is new in the market in like a whole lot of bunch and then later regretting that why did I buy, because it didn't turn out to be good. So what I normally do is I buy one or maximum two pieces in any new launches. I try them out, and if I like them, then I don't hesitate buying more and more pieces, or maybe the entire collection. So that's how I operate. And maybe if you guys want me to buy and try out and review more shades or more colors, then you please let me know. I will do that from maybe next time onwards. But as of now, I only have one shade. It's called Fuchsia. The idea was to show you guys the quality of these lipsticks, talk about features. It is beautiful. The colors are beautiful, super pigmented, super soft. They dry matte, but they don't make your lips feel dry. And the beauty of this color is, though this is fuchsia, but it still gives a kind of purpley tinge, or you can say a purpley reflection when you wear it on, and it looks so exotic. It looks so different from the normal fuchsia colors. So that's what I really like about this lipstick. So once you put it on your lips, it is definitely going to look something different, but very exotic, very beautiful. Next category of lipsticks I'm going to talk about are these beauties from Bobbi Brown. Now they are on the higher side. These are high-end brands, but I love Bobbi Brown lipsticks for, I think, a simple fact that they have the most amazing texture you can ever imagine. So I got these two shades and I'm going to show you. First one is this beautiful pink color. They are not matte, they are pretty I won't say they are very glossy, but they are not matte, they are creamy. This shade is called Bright Peony, and I am going to swatch it for you guys so that you can see. Look at that, you guys. Look at the color, look at the pigmentation, look at the texture. They are so moisturizing, they are so hydrating on your lips. They feel like butter on your lips, literally. And the second one is this one. This is the perfect nude lipstick ever, and this one is called Almost Bare. I have actually used this lipstick in one of my makeup tutorials, which is the Deepika Padukone inspired makeup tutorial. You guys can go and check that out, and you can see how this lip color looks upon me. Otherwise, I also have a picture on Instagram wearing this lipstick. You can check it out. Same thing, beautiful texture, super soft, super hydrating, and even their longevity is not that bad since they are not matte, but they still stay put for around good 5 to 6 hours. The next lip color I'm going to talk about is this extremely gorgeous shade from Revlon. I think they just launched it 1 week or 10 days back, and this is called the Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. These are also liquid lipsticks. They are absolutely matte, and you know, as a matter of my habit, I just got one shade to try the quality of the lipstick, and I would say I am quite impressed. Is the swatch, this one, the horizontal one. This is the swatch. It's looking a little glossy right now, but it's gonna dry matte, absolutely matte. And this also has a beautiful finish, very good texture, great longevity, and it kind of feels a little dry on your lips. But then if you put a lip balm before applying this, I think you're sorted. And next category of lipsticks are these ones from Milani Cosmetics. I would say unconsciously I was looking for a shade like this for the longest time ever, because this is a shade which probably everyone would not try, but if you are bold and experimental with your lip colors, I will strongly recommend you guys to go for this shade. This is like the purest form of purple shade, and this is the swatch. I was a little apprehensive when I bought this shade because I thought, you know, in my case, any purple tone of lipstick just washes me out. So I really don't wear purples or mauves or these kind of lip colors. But this one, it is so flattering. It just, you know, brightens up your skin tone. It looks so good. It looks so glamorous, and I'm sure it's a very good skin, good lip shade for every skin tone. So if you, the next product that I'm going to talk about is this pretty product from Lakme. It's called the Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Matte. This is like a lip crayon that Lakme launched sometime back. Actually, I don't use Lakme products that often, so I got quite late buying this one. So it was just like, you know, being double-minded whether to pick it up or to not pick it up. I finally bought this one and I'm quite impressed. Let me swatch this color for you. It's called Starlet Red, and this is how this color looks like. It's rather a tomato red color. It's not a very intense or a deep red. It's a very nice soft red, and the good thing about these lipsticks are that they are soft matte. They are actually soft on your lips. They don't feel dry at all, and they have a very good stay. And this one, I think it retails for 645 rupees. And now I have some lip pencils, and they all need a special mention. So these are some of the lip pencils that I'm going to talk about. So the first ones are these two beautiful shades which I got from Faces. They were launched sometime back, and these are called Faces Lip Contour. So this shade that I have is called Coral Pink, and this is like a very pretty, actually a coral pink shade. And the other one that I have is called Tangy Pop, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's called Tangy Pop, and this is like a very gorgeous orangish kind of a shade, a tangy orange shade. So the good thing about these lip liners is that they are very soft, beautiful colors. They have them in a lot of shades, but I got these two because I found them very summerish and very fresh and youthful. And the next two lip liners that I have in my hand are these two amazing lip liners, and these are from Pro Art by Iconic. So I will be mentioning all the names for you guys, so don't worry if you are missing on to anything. Now these are the two shades that I got. The first one is called Purple Plum, and this is how it looks like. It's a very pretty plum shade which actually has a lot of purple tone to it. And the second one in my hand is this one. It's called Milk Chocolate, and this is like a deep nude shade which is also very pretty, and I think it will act as a very good base for your lipsticks. Both these are from the same brand, and I got these from Impressions from Karol Bagh because I didn't find them anywhere else apart from that shop. And these ones, I think they retail for 190 rupees or 290 rupees. So this is about my makeup haul and favorites part 2 video. I hope you guys liked it, you found it informative as well as interesting, and if that's the case, then please don't forget to show my video a thumbs up, share my videos, comment on my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. And till we meet next time, you know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay happy, take good care. So see you all, bye bye, love you.